Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to TSO Crypto, your home for crypto TA. I'm your host Martin, and in this episode we're going to be talking... Sorry about that. This episode we're going to be talking about Ethereum, the all-time highs. I need to move this chair out of the way, just one quick second. There we go. Ethereum to new all-time highs. That's what we're going to be talking about. So, thank you for joining me tonight. Thank you for being here for this awesome stream. Again, if you like the content, make sure you hit the like, you hit the bell, you hit the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links will be going out here in a second, right? Music stopped. That's weird. There we go. How's it going, guys? Happy Sunday. I hope you're having a great time. Crypto, doing stuff, right? Crypto doing thing. How are those things going for y'all? There we go. Right out. Some links are out. Crypto Silverback, hey, Dingo, yo. Reward, just say hi. May says chicken egg. As you fever, hi, everyone, wash hands. All right, wash hands. That's what it actually reads as the emote, by the way. Anyways, let's get rolling. Let's get started here and see what's happening on crypto. Let's go to total market cap. Man, are we still pumping? Yes, we are. Are we trading divergence? That is a different question. All right, let's zoom in here real quick. So against the MACD, we had this island. This is tiny, 3.02, 3.88. So we're definitely coming higher here on the MACD. So on this bit, we're not creating any divergence. On the other side, on this bit, we're not creating anything. However, on the other side, we still have divergence, right? The highest point that we have is over here. New highest point we have, right? So bearish divergence is still there against the other side, not against the MACD, right? We're bought at 68.40 with that potential movement down, right? So that's what we're looking for here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to match that with this line here, and it's coming out blue because I think the last thing we drew yesterday was on the blue color, but there we go. Right on, so bearish divergence strong with that possibility for a movement down. That's about it. I mean, like I said, market's going bullish, so 2.82 trillion, about to go to $3 trillion. Wow, that's pretty insane for market cap. Let's go and check out the price of the corn. Bitcoin going up 2.74% approximately right now, $65,056. Look at that, we're getting above that $64,900 mark, which is very, very good. Now, we are rejecting a little bit, so like I said, we might be going for the new all-time high, so that's pretty good. Again, negative momentum dying out. We're still bought at 63.43. There's nothing happening besides that bearishness. We were consolidating. We talked about that for a while. We were looking for a move. I said maybe Sunday we'd get some movement. Oh, no, chart. Thank you very much for that, man. Here we go. Chart's up. Let's go real quick to market cap, right? Again, market cap, bearishness. going up, right? Sorry, strong bearish still on the market cap, 2.82 trillion, almost 3 trillion. Let's go to the Bitcoin. Bitcoin, $65,057. Again, above 64,900 resistance. So very good. Like I said yesterday, we could expect maybe to go up on Sunday. And then I was really hesitant as to whether or not we're going to go up for Monday. Right now, Monday's opening, but we got to remember, for a good portion of the world, it is still Sunday night. So is Monday still going to be green? I hope so. I hope so. So far, it's looking so good, right? It looks as though we're pumping. Asia, it's moving us up. Let's see what Europe does at 2 in the morning when they come live. And they definitely might see the market going up, and they might be following in, and then New York might buy, and then we might be hitting $66,994. So it's not looking bad, right? There's nothing bullish happening here, at least not on the daily. We're consolidating, like we said, and I said, look, Sunday we could go up, down. The weekend, it might be slow. We did move 2.87% already for Sunday, and right now we're pumping 2.75 more. So very nice rallies here on the corn. Bought at 63.45. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour, look at that. Boom, nice move. Action to the upside on. Bullish divergence strong. We had this one yesterday, so we talked about this one. Potential moving up. We got above this area, got above 20. We're using support. I think we were live here on this candle. I said we might go up, and we did expand those longer bands to the upside. I talked about hitting 63,000 and then 64,000, and then above there, 64,900. Those were potential moves to the upside. If we were to still be above that 20, if we were rejecting that 20, we were looking for a movement down potentially. And with that, we could be going down here to the 59,000 areas, right? Glad that we recovered. Hopefully we can keep on running. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. For the 1 hour, we had bearish divergence, and it did play. Look at that. We had it here live at 9 p.m. Central. Right, look at this. It still came here, still coming lower, still had that hidden bearish divergence. Where did we go? Down sideways, hitting and bouncing off the 20, right, until we finally took off and pumped higher. Now we're going from a high point to a higher point, much higher on that MACD and higher on the RSI. Overbought at 84.85, and with that, it's not bad. We are pumping, nothing bearish. We're starting to consolidate. We're trying to stay and remain above 64,900. Now we could move down a bit, retest that area. We haven't retested it. Retest it as support and then bounce and try to go for that new all-time high again, 6,994. We're gonna have some resistance at $66,244. Let's go check out Ethereum real quick here on the daily, right? All right, so we're gonna start with this Ethereum chart. Where are we at? We're still on track to go for our move, right? Our move gets us on this other chart over here, right? So that's a move we're looking for. 5,297. On this chart, we're hitting that 1618. You can see that we're at 4,715, 4,722 the price. So again, very, very close to that area. Are we going to reject? We don't know yet. We're going to have to check for bearishness, and that's what we're going to do here in a second. But again, it's still rallying, still going good. On this area, that 1618, again, is slightly higher. I have different fibs, different charts, right? So again, company handle in play, potentially still going higher. Hopefully we can reach that 5,200, or even go for that 1618 here, which is at 5,676. That'll be a very, very nice place for Ethereum to go. Let's go here on the chart that we usually look at. We had bearish divergence, right? And now we're starting to pump again, trying to get above this level. So we got above it here. So again, considering a fake breakout, and we're still struggling with one of these lines, right? So with this one, I think we were like here. No, we were like definitely below. So we were like this, I think. So I'm just extending the lines. We broke back above, and then this one here, I'm also going to extend. I want to see if it's acting as a resistance, and I believe this one is going to be a little bit easier to track. There we go. So this one's still the blue one, right? That higher one is still acting as a resistance. Sorry, guys. Let me get here on auto. Here we go. So we're hitting that area as resistance again. 1618 on this chart being hit, 4,706. So very, very nice area. Getting above that zone gets to propel higher. Do we have something bearish? Yes, we're still coming higher here on the price and still coming lower. Is that going to last? It depends on how Ethereum pumps. If Ethereum just starts to take off, it's going to get rid of this divergence. It's not going to hold it. However, remember, we're still within a larger island, right? Our island comes from way back here. So the line, it's a straight line from way down here to way up here, and then from high to low, right? So in all fairness, even though we pump a lot, we're going to get rid of it here in the short term. We're still going to have it in the longer term. Just remember that. Strong bearish divergence, potentially. We're moving down, right? We don't have it here right now on the RSI. Just looking at MACD, bought at 68.28. And with that, let's go to the 4-hour chart, man. Again, so where are we going to go? We're above the 20. We're above the 1618. Right now, we're going to try to go higher. We need to break that dotted line. If we reject that dotted line, It's going to lead me to believe that this also might be acting as a resistance. We might have a double line here that's kind of acting as a resistance. Usually we just consider one, either the wicks or the bodies. Here it looks as though the bodies could also be posing a resistance because that's what we're rejecting right now. We need to get higher. So Ethereum made a new all-time high today. Very, very nice. We're going to adjust our all-time high here in a second. Previous all-time high, 4,670. New all-time high. Let's go get that. It was 4,740. All right. Let's adjust that. 4,740. Right on. There we go. So new all-time high for Ethereum. Being champs, being kings. Ethereum doing beautifully. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. 4-hour Ethereum, what do we have? We had hidden bullish divergence yesterday, so potential action to upside. We rallied on that, got above that 20, right? Very nice. We're here live on this candle. We just continue going higher. We talked about reaching all-time highs, and we did, which again is fairly good. So what I'm going to do here, just so we can keep from tracking the all-time highs, is I'm going to go here, grab a horizontal ray, and I'm just going to place it here and go like that, right? I know there might be some support there, but we found resistance on the way up, right? Look at that. We talked about finding resistance there at the all-time high. Hit it once, 2, 3 times. And then we finally broke above it. So 4,628 might provide support on a move down. Ethereum not doing bad. Not doing bad. It has strong bearish divergence. Watch out for that. When you start to see this, you're talking about the buildup, right? The buildup that's happening from before and how much we have consolidated. If we have not consolidated and we just keep on building this bearish divergence, it's going to spell trouble for us in the future, right? So look at this. Strong bearish divergence here. Move down. Hidden bullish. Pumping. Strong bearish again against the MACD and the RSI, right? Look at this. We're coming from a high point here to a lower point, right? We're going to shake it off here on the RSI very quickly. We're bought at 70.01, and any slight pump higher is going to get rid of it, right? Against the RSI, against the MACD is going to take a little bit more strength. So we're going to have strong bearish on the daily. We're having a strong bearish here on the 4-hour as well. So let's go and check out the 1-hour chart and see what we have there. On the 1-hour chart, strong bearish divergence as well. So we're having strong bearish divergence on the daily, the 4-hour, and the 1-hour. What do we know? It's a trifecta, right? It could tell us the market might be looking for a movement down, or at least Ethereum could be looking for a movement down. Hopefully, it's just going to depend on how we pump. If we just go insanely high, we start pumping, we don't care about the divergence, we're going to get rid of it. Market's feeling bullish. So remember, during bullish times, bearish indicators fail to play out. Why am I saying it's feeling bullish? Dude, Ethereum pumping 2.25%, Bitcoin 2.76%. Yesterday they pumped, today they're pumping. Feels as though they're trying to catch up to whatever movements Shiv had, and HNT and the other coins had, the ones that started moving earlier. So now's the time for the big players to move, right? And that's what we're getting. So with that, in that motion, we could be getting potentially more action to the upside. It's silent today in the chat. Guys, if you're alive in the chat, type 1. Otherwise, you're not going to type anything, so type 1. Or bought at 76.95, that's it. Overbought, right? Potential moving down. That's all I'm looking for right now. Where can we go? Again, 4,628 might be an area that we could be going for, right? Where are we looking for support also? We draw a line like this. We're going to see that we might have. Oh, we kind of broke it. Is it going to be here? I think we're going to go with that. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I'd rather get a third hit or something before we actually draw our support line. That's it for Ethereum. I don't think we have anything on request. So I'm going to look at HNT real quick because HNT did all-time highs. It magically pumped to almost $60. It's insane. It went all the way to, $60.70 here on this chart. Ain't that crazy? Ain't that crazy how much it pumped? I think on the shorter time scales, it actually reads differently. But here it says $58.81. I think that's the actual target. Coming back down, hitting that 2618, finding support. Again, rejecting that lower area. It's fine. I'm going to talk to you about what that happening on the 1-hour chart. We're bought at 83.55, nothing bearish. Let's go to the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, look at this, boom. Flagging, not bad. Nothing bearish, going higher, more positive. Higher still on the RSI. Coming back down, we're cooling off because we're just bought at 65.35. Man, can we keep on going? If we do drop, support at 37.06, that's a 20 moving average. Let's go to the 1-hour. On the 1-hour, look at this here. Look at this beauty. Parabolic advance, very nice. Holding, we came here, hit it afterwards, right? After we were on the stream, after we were on the live. So we were somewhere around here, came here still, found that support, hit that parabolic advance, and then we just took off and went almost to the $60 mark. Here it reads $59.09. Again, like I told you, the daily was reading off for some reason. Nothing bearish. Look, we're going higher, more positive, overbought. Why are we breaking down? Well, we're highly overbought. It just has been pumping for the last couple days. Carthigo, thank you very much for being here. Moving sideways right now, hitting that 20. Here, I was really hoping they were going to go for another bounce. Why was I thinking that? Because we started to bounce right along that 20. It looked as though we wanted to hold. And even here, when we broke it, we quickly recovered, right? So it's like, oh man, that 20 is looking strong. And then we just broke it on this last candle. But we're still holding on to the parabolic advance. Now that we've hitting this area again, are we creating hidden bullish? We could be looking for another rally. Could be looking for another rally. Just be careful, right? Just watch out. We're getting overextended here. What do I mean by overextended? We've just been pumping without breaks. So, I mean, we are getting a pullback. Don't get me wrong. We're getting a pullback. It's not the craziest pullback, but we're getting a pullback nonetheless. If I were to fib this, so I'm gonna go here real quick. If I were to fib that, again, I have the same fibs, so I'm just gonna show you here this real quick. Go from the low point to the high point. We're not making it about retrace by any means, right? On moving down, we have to hit $38.41 for us to start considering that we're doing a retrace. We're not there anymore. So, not bad. Elon, what's up? Thank you very much for being here. Right, let's keep rolling here. 1 hour, not bad for HNT. Breaking this parabolic advance could spell trouble. We could be looking for a pullback now, right? So even more pullback. So just watch out. HNT has been pumping a lot. Has been performing extremely well. It's just time for consolidation to happen. And that's what we're getting here with this flag. It's not the prettiest looking flag. It's some sort of consolidation. But again, we could still be looking for some consolidation before we actually move. Let's go with Shiv real quick. Because Shiv is hurting. Shiv, it's a 4 zeros and then 557 something, right? So, although it's moving up right now on the 1 hour, look at what's happening here. We're still coming down. Remember what I said here 2 days ago, 3 days ago? When we were talking about this, if we get above that 20, we get above that 382, we're going to come up here, a quick move. That was a quick move. And then I said, if we reject, where are we going to go? 382, right? Where are we going right now? We got very, very close to getting that 382, man. Almost to that place. Lowest point we got, 4 zeros and then 5280, right? 5,280. That place here, 5,170. So we're like couple zeros and then 100. So it's not bad. It's not bad what Shiv is doing. It's just coming down a bit. Not really worried about it. Guys, again, remember, if you're enjoying the content, make sure you hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. Thank you very much for being here and supporting this awesome channel. You guys are the most awesome crypto community out there for reals. So thank you all for being here. Shiv, not bad. Resting a bit, flagging, consolidating. Could we go for another leg up? We could. Again, on the moving down, I was hoping that we're going to get a fast move. We got it in 3 days. It's not bad. It's Monday. Came down. It's trying to recover with the rest of crypto. Let's go to that 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we didn't have anything here that was bullish. We still have nothing here that is bullish or bearish, right? So we're good. We're neutral at 44.48. So we're just consolidating. Let's go to the 1 hour. Broke that line when short-term bullish. Remember, short-term bullish. Short-term. Now we're starting to come down. Consolidating. We're broke here. I hated this candle. I was watching this live. Like, why? Why are you breaking down? Why are you breaking down, man? Get above that 20. Well, we rejected 20. That's what we're breaking down. Not like I didn't know, but like, why are you breaking down? Get above that 20. We're creating strong bullish now. That's part of the reason that we're starting to rally. Yeah, strong bullish divergence is going to give us a possibility for action to the upside, right? So target the 20 moving average. So we have 4 zeros and then 5,683. If we get above that area, could be looking for a recovery and even getting higher than this previous high here at 4 zeros and then 6,486. So neutral at 40.60 here on our side, and it looks as though we might be wanting to move up. So Shiv, not bad, right? Shiv apparently when Bitcoin and Ethereum started to pump, Shiv started to pull back. If Shiv starts to pump, will we see Ethereum and Bitcoin stagnate? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens, right? Anyways, that's what's happening there. What's going to happen to Riot tomorrow? All right. For an IDO in the morning, what are you going to be doing, man? What are you going to be getting? Riot. Let's go check that. Riot Blockchain Inc. at $31.49. Let's get it on the daily. On the daily. Had that bearishness. Last time we looked at it, right? Came back down, hit that 20 pump. Great, not bad. Hitting support, closing right at that 618. Oh, look at our fibs. They're awesome. They're still working. Low to high, high to low. There's strong bearish divergence here. With that, the possibility for action to downside, man. And that's precisely what's happening, right? We're getting broken down. We're going to keep on moving lower. I mean, crypto seems to be wanting to rally. Is Riot gonna move down? That's gonna be a good question. Well, we don't know yet, but that's what I'll be looking for right now. At least they're moving down. We're neutral at 57.27. Let's go on that weekly and see what we have, man. On the weekly, we're just getting consolidation below the 20 moving average. Try to break above that 20 moving average, sorry. So we're gonna start the week probably above. Watch out for the pre-market, right? And that's what I would tell you. Check out the pre-market and see where we're at. If we're breaking below this area or we're near that 20, could be that strong bearish divergence. We'll be trying to take hold and move this lower. We're still above this area and trying to bounce. It could be that we're not caring about this divergence yet, and we could be trying to go for a rally, particularly if Bitcoin tries to rally. Here, last time we had hidden bullish, pumped on that, came lower. That's fine. We can still say we still have this hidden bullish. It's still going there. It's still coming here. It all tracks, and it all does us good, right? So even from here, look at this from here. Oh, look at that. Ain't that great? Let's pin this here just on the 4 hour. We don't want it to go anywhere else. So, not bad. Pumping on that, right, on hidden bullish. Now we're going higher. Higher high, and highest point here is 0.045.5. So, higher. And here, against the other side, we're having strong bearish divergence. We'd add the possibility for a movement down. Guess what's happening? We're breaking down on that. He's strong bearish, by the way. Right, so it's moving this down. Target the 20 moving average at $30.19. I would really hope it just goes there, it hits that area, and then it tries to bounce from the 20. That's, if you ask me what I'm expecting to see, it could be that. I mean, Bitcoin pumping and this being a crypto-related asset, it makes it to where its technicals might not just be the only thing at play. So, looking at Bitcoin and seeing that Bitcoin's trying to rally 2% today, and Ethereum's trying to rally also almost 2.5%, just like Bitcoin, it could be that the market starts to feel bullish for Riot, so the technicals that it has might not play, right? Technicals for Riot would be suggesting strong bearish divergence, potential moving down, not only on the 4 hour, but also on the daily, right? So we're moving down for a day. Are we going to get continuation? If crypto starts to rally and it's worth more, then Riot, in theory, should not care about the divergence and it should start rallying. So with that, hope that answers your question, Rhyme Code. Thank you very much for being here. It's Gandalf. You gonna buy Gandalf? Is it gonna be like Gandalf the Grey or Gandalf the White? I'm sorry, Gandalf. I'm just looking real quick, right? I'm just browsing. I'm not gonna look at outside. It's late. It's Sunday, guys. I am pretty tired. It's been a long day. It's been a long day. Tomorrow's gonna be a long day as well. Let's get this rolling, right? So I said for HNT here, again, not bad, right? Went almost to that $60 mark. Beautiful move. $59 and change on the other chart, $58. I like it. I like it a lot. I like a lot where HNT's at. It's not a bad place to be. It's not a bad place to be. Yeah. I got to the plans and I went into one of the mines, which was pretty good. Yeah, it was fun. We didn't go down too many mines. It was more like they want to control certain things, not mine related, so it wasn't that big of a thing to go down into the mine. It was like visit like a lot of projects. We were just like, I think it was 5 days. We saw 5 projects in 4 states, so it was like a lot of traveling, a lot of driving, a lot of being on the road and in the mine site, at the plant, at the labs, at the preparation labs, the analytical labs, chemical analysis labs. It was just interesting. It was fun. Big moves on the IDO launch. Yeah, it could be, man. It could be that you get big moves, man. All right, so 65,172. Bitcoin still trying to sustain above at least 4,900, right? Not bad here. Look at this. Very, very nice on Bitcoin. I feel like we could be going for that 66,900 and 94, right? Get to 67,000. What's the target that we need to reach on November according to Plan B? Like 93K? We'll see if we go there, man. We'll see if we go there. So, nothing bearish, right? Nothing bearish for Bitcoin. Something bearish on Ethereum. Like I said, man, right? If it pumps more, I'm gonna try to get rid of it here on the 1 hour. We'll see with Ethereum. Again, on the daily, again, we'll be anchoring from back here, right? Low to high point to a lower point. It's all the same positive momentum island. We can make negative momentum and just move sideways, right? And then continue to the upside on the new positive momentum wave. But we'll see. But again, not bad on Ethereum. And if you look at this, you remember when I say about this crosses, MACD and signal line below the 0 line? Look at what happened at this cross, right? Below the 0 line on the MACD. All right, look at that. Oh, very good in here on Ethereum. I'm just going to show you here on this chart. It might be a little bit cleaner. No, is this one cleaner? This one hopefully is clean. No. All right, this one's clean. So look at this cross here, right? MACD signal line below the 0 line. What happened? To the upside, right? So very nice move here. Again, after that cross, we'd even say here, man, right? That's right at the cross. Look at that move, right? Boom, 58%. So we've talked MACD strategy before. Look at this here. Crossing signal line MACD below the 0 line. Look at that rally, right? Look at the rally here after that crossing. 121%. Right? Then 50% on top of maybe 100% gain. So again, look, here we kind of had one that failed, but even on that cross, we did manage to get some very, very quick gains, right? Look at this, boom, quick burst. 28, pump back down, and then run through, right? So again, those crosses are interesting. All right, so yeah, Market Siphon, please keep it chill, man. Just make sure you're not gonna get Das Boot from one of the mods, right? I know you're just chilling, you're just having fun, whatever, man. But everyone's here to like enjoy the stream and just be respectful of that. Look at this, boom. Not bad, right? Not a bad move. 2.42, right? Like we said, 2.5 gains on the day. Not bad here in Ethereum. Guys, I think that's gonna be weird. That's gonna be weird. I just read the comment that he said he's weird. I think that's gonna be it. Keeping it super short for today. I'm kind of tired, so gonna get some rest. It's gonna be a long day for me tomorrow. Yeah, kids. And tomorrow my kid actually goes to school for the first time in like the longest time. So we're gonna wake up super early to take him to school. So, guys, thanks for watching. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit the like, hit the bell, hit the sub. Just on the Discord, links have gone out. Sorry about starting late today, guys. I had the camera problems. This camera didn't want to work. It was like it turned on and then the image froze and then it turned on and then it just wouldn't load. So I'm not sure what it was. I think I had to upload some firmware for the capture card and afterwards reboot the computer and then it was fine. So we'll see. Guys, remember all the information that we're providing here is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. It's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but we are accurate most of the times. So, Stymie, what's up, dude? Make sure you sub. I just found a new channel. Thanks, man. I still haven't done this. I have to record a small video and post it on the old channel, telling people to come join me on this channel. But thank you very much for being here, guys. Dude, Stymie, thank you very much for joining. I streams at the same time. This is so crypto. It's so much fun to be here, man. If you're not on the Discord, yeah, that's how you know. Discord or YouTube, right? Discord or Twitter, right? I also post on Twitter that I go live. So follow me on Twitter at StateOfCrypto1. I think it's gone up a couple times here from the bots. Guys, thanks for catching up with me again. If you want to help the channel grow, retweet our tweets, tell people about the channel, help bring awareness. You know, it's what helps us grow. We're starting to get from scratch, so we're a long way from 1,000 subs and 4,000 watch hours. So, you know, we'll see how that goes. Again, thanks for joining me again, and that's gonna be it for tonight. I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of TSO Crypto. Till then.